Now this is called Holt's Battery Care. Now this is quite old. I don't know if they make this stuff anymore. What I'll do, I'll just put some on this toothbrush. Just paint it all over it. It says coat all the metal. Even right down here to the where the cable comes up through. Let's do the terminal. And this is a number 10 or 10 millimeter wrench. Now the negative post. There, that looks good. Now I'll come back in a year and see how that looks. Okay, it's been a little over a year now, so let's see how the battery terminals look. I say they look pretty good. No corrosion here and no corrosion there.